Hey, what's up, my new Standard Nation? It's TJ with Strategic Real Estate Experts. Today we're talking about what loans exist for people with poor or bad credit, or maybe even mediocre. So the first thing to understand is 90 to 95% of borrowers are actually, that buy homes, fall into the A grade credit rating. So when a lender scores you, you get a rating. And A credit rating people are typically going to be easier to get a loan for. But what about those people that bad situations happen to? Because good things happen, bad things happen to good people. And I've watched it again and again over the years. The thing is, it doesn't mean that they can't still afford a house. So if you're not an A graded person, you're a B or a C. And there's options out there for you. It's just you need to educate yourself on it and see if it, one, makes financial sense for you, and two, is it a viable option based on your current circumstances? So what I'm talking about is if you had a foreclosure, a bankruptcy in the past, maybe medical bills that are holding you down from being able to buy a property because it's hurting your credit score, but you make more money now and you're just not buying because you don't think you can, reach out. There's options, again, like I said, for people with a B and C credit score. There's a subprime lending market out there for you. Now with that, obviously if you want to get a house, you're going to pay a little bit more money in interest, or maybe a little more money up front in closing costs, or maybe they ask you to put more money down to protect their asset a little bit more. There's tons of different things that are possibly out there for you if you're making enough income to justify it, or if you have a high enough down payment. I know last year we met with somebody who had a 580 credit score, but in the last 2 years got a great job. They socked away over 20% to put down, and they were actually able to buy a house. Now they had a little bit higher credit, quite a bit higher credit score, down payment, but there's stuff you can do. So don't think that you can't buy a house just because your credit isn't perfect. I mean, we've had people in the low sixes. I had the high five person. There was only one that did that, but there's options out there for you. If you're looking or not sure if you can, reach out. We can help get you in touch with the right people or ask you questions just to see where you're at and see if it even is a viable possibility right now. So, with that said, if you want to know more about what it takes to buy, check out knowbeforeyoubuyrealestate.com. Call, text, or email. Should be popping up here somewhere. 608-576-0044. Emails TJ at sreehelp.com. Don't forget to raise your standard, and we'll talk to you soon.